Hello y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your bookmarks from your Chromebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you will do, simply gonna go ahead and access your Chrome browser in your laptop or in your mobile phone. Right, once you have done so, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead in this new window of our Chrome. You can see we do have a lots of bookmarks on this bookmark section. We can see lots of bookmarks, right? So I'll show you two ways. The first would be simply going to this three dot icon on top right corner, tapping on it, and now going to bookmarks section, and here you can see all of the bookmarks that you have, right? So if you want to delete one of them, go to the particular bookmark. Let's say this is the one, right click and tap on this delete option. Now it's removed from your bookmark bar as well. Other would be simply going to your bookmark, tapping on this right button, tapping on delete, and it's removed. So these are the two ways. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.